Etiefo yemamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Endra ye de assembly bremo say MP a wo double as Deputy Minister for Trade and Industry a friend Carlos Ahinkra. Wa admit say wo coronavirus. Now wonim say wo coronavirus now so still wo polling center. Pictures about bontin a etre say Embra Carlos Ahinkra can say ye diagnose no say wo coronavirus no. He was still jubilating, hugging people and dancing with people. Obia we MP adena wo be sa unim se wo coronavirus now so still oku nipemu. Na se MP mpo wasan so eye minister, deputy minister na so yes then what would the ordinary Ghanaian do? And then go for bebre so we tia Carlos Ahinkra and from Endra to Lende washa fire Carlos Ahinkra and no na air trendy. A lot of people called on the president to sack Carlos Ahinkra. Now, the way no will go MPP for anymore. Now, for the very first time, I bought MPP for Abaso. Because so share MPP ni bia minim ni bia wakasa wa same way hono. We condemn the acts from Carlos Ahinkra. We share one more executive John Buetu, lesser executives. No, sorry. I mean all the people, the activists of MPP for our mokasa. With social media and they were condemning the act of Carlos Ahinkra and no more can say it was say Ekufuado war acting. Ahomachi way me sorry around 4. Now me sorry around 4 no and I breaking news say it was reported by Star FM say President Ekufuado has sent a message ama Carlos Ahinkra say Carlos Ahinkra either say we be resigning and now say we no President Ekufuado nankasa be sake no nti e man no ultimatum say ebia by the end of the day and there so when one can find a resignation letter mba President Beba Abontia beka say wasake Carlos Ahinkra in some way yet from Star FM no but we were waiting near heard ABC and now me know ka say day no end there we are seeing a message from the presidency etre say Carlos Ahinkra ed in a resignation letter akwa President Ekufuado and a President Ekufuado so assume Eka se nekre Carlos Ahinkra won resigning. We be betine tiaka say Carlos Ahinkra resigning or resigning. What's the difference between a resignation and a sack? I will explain. Bako e dignity, bako nye dignity. But ni name no endeo at a particular point. Ni name no endeo se wube lusu we juma. Now so bako there at least e ko CV so se one kasa na wo free ejuma nim. Bako so ebeko CV so ne say ebia ye ne pame o na tre se wo koye ade bia enye nti wa resign no at least there's a dignity in that but Carlos Ahinkra same way no metwe wadwen aba bibi so because so hwe senior Carlos Ahinkra wo kasa aye na me hu ne se eye yankasa ne ye ho ensem bia ye ka tre yen na ma Carlos Ahinkra so sebe wo koji sansem ni di ya ende ama wo no ye use no as scapegoat no. Because what ye interviews a Carlos Ahinkra wo ye e wa Sempa City FM a wo admit ni na no a wo kan sembia ya ye hu ne se me ne me now for cry we discuss on that particular matter. Now let me read the resignation letter for you guys. Na me read ma mu wi a na me de mo adwen na maka sansem no atremo. O say President Ekufuado accept Honorable Carlos Ahinkra's resignation. O say the President of the Republic Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado on Friday 3rd July 2020 accepted the resignation from the office of the Deputy Minister for Trade and Industry, Honorable Carlos Kingsley Ahinkra, MP, which takes immediate effect. This follows the admission by the Deputy Minister of his breach of the COVID-19 protocols when, as a person certified to be positive for the virus, he visited a registration center in his constituency before the period of self-isolation was complete. President Ekufuado is admonishing all of his appointees to bear in mind that they are to provide leadership at all times for adherence to the protocols that have been established to help the nation defeat COVID-19. In accepting the resignation, the president recognizes that Honorable Carlos Ahinkra has acted honorably in the circumstances by resigning his office and wishes him well. This is signed by Eugene Ahin, who is the Director of Communications at the Office of the President. Naturally, say Akufo-Addo si ni aje say Carlos Ahenkra wa resign. No President Akufo-Addo nensa asomu ye na or wish Carlos Ahenkra well in whatever he goes on to do. Na asem ni etiefo hwe sa Carlos Ahenkra nsensem we wo me say Ghana I was say you blame ye ho, especially the leaders of this land. Didn't na make kasa. I have always had problems with the way President Akufo-Addo always addresses the nation on this coronavirus thing. And more follow me our channel way so no. I know a lot of people say hey, they won't pay Akufo-Addo as they won't pay MPP as but you guys know. Send the kreno or media meka. And all of you who have been following me have heard. This is not the first time I've said this. My mama what here say senior ya president Waba no wabek kasa anode. Oh, and we are doing well. We are doing. Me want to say it didn't send the right message to Ghanaians. Senior president beba bekan sem no wohwe African ya de na WHO kra abaye ho ebisa yen say senior ye no e was say ye trend crofo say it sent the wrong message to other people. If I said right message, forgive me. Send the wrong message to other people. Say, Yariana Kane and serious. Now, in one of these latest statements, our president ebe addressing nation for the past 3 weeks, we're addressing nation every single week. In one of these 3 weeks, Asamoah President Babontin ebe kanye and say, Sisiano, yesi, wa yariano, na won show symptoms bia after 10 days. Just say, untumi infecting crofo, intia namagana your recovery rate no akosro sano. That was the explanation that came. So wunya yariano, na wunya yariano na asymptomatic. Just say asymptomatic. Just say yariano untum. Just say the signs no, you don't show them. Say wo bowa. Say etipaye wo so. Say wunya fever. Say just say wo sneezy. Say symptoms ni nana. It's not on you, and then you find asymptomatic. President Mema Yeti say if you are asymptomatic and after 10 days you are still asymptomatic, you can't transmit the disease. Inti washa Carlos Ahenkra won also the side any to ni trim montie ni ye na ase na me twem ho adwen aba so. A lot of people are asking aden na Carlos Ahenkra wo bia wo ye minister wo bia wo ye MP obey bibisa ma chemo say Carlos Ahenkra wo ye me MP me penance empa, but this is not to defend him, because we are there bia me hu ne say a wrong message I send ya Ghana for I anhwe ne ya ebe di enya montie president cars asem no wotie all the Carlos Ahenkra yo bia wa bobra o no ani sika sebe wo wa adwen hu ne say ma tested positive for coronavirus, me driver tested positive for coronavirus, aden na me ene me driver Yebeko registration sites. No, this is the explanation behind it. Because that message was sent to Ghanaians, no, one also Carlos Ahenkra who they say, we tested positive. A doctor for catching the case no asymptomatic. Apart 10 days, no, not just said, dear president, back say if your case is asymptomatic, not apart 10 days, one. To me and check yari no, also Carlos Ahenkra who say, my tested positive. Apart 10 days, no. Me sanso ye asymptomatic na tre say ne kremi ntumi nche yare no ntia wasa me yadan mitumi kwa abonten. So that was the thought ekwohye ni trim wono nso gidi say eye ne kre ende wo de kwa abonten asemba ya won sa asebo bia eyi ne ba ho ama no. Me kai the time the president announced this, na me ne madam for bi kasa na madam for the katem say Melodies. Asamoah president akin, o ya sure say na kre. And I make a say masa media no kre ni. Say you see asymptomatic obi ana asymptomatic for yes spread na see you see asymptomatic for will be any show symptoms I want to mean spread no. Me hu say that be entro. That's what I told my friend. Into make a say Charlie, we need to be serious. So that message that was sent to all of us and Ghanaians no and no nende Ama Carlos Ahenkra na so aye shi, because nanka we still maintain the old thing. Say yareɛ ne deɛ whether asymptomatic you spread it or not. Na nka menya sure say Carlos Ahenkra said be wo no ankasa ne nyansem obehu ne say ma test positive for yareɛ no so me kwa abonten. Menya sure say anka obekwa abonten. But because we sent that wrong message to Ghanaians and people, no minister no so AGD say oh san na te dia and the say mean so mean to mean spread it. And this is the truth behind it. I've told you the way you fat Ghana same sia you want to say oh ebema government ne look bad nti ne ye no kokwasa that be enya sana Ghana for your pay o ade ne ye hu aka ten say ye hu na ebema ya fa ade ne serious ya ba ya say oh and our test is no we are doing very well in testing sisi akra a doctor for aba bonte tre say enyama ye dey test kra no ye nya nti for a long time ni ye were backlog ngrofo bebre wo ho a yentumi test o mo ye anso yote o man we mu si yo and they say